Here.
Sorry. If you didn't put it upwards, otherwise it just wastes stuff and you can't get it out anymore. Okay.
We're taking a video. Not in the hair.
Yeah. Look at the camera. Look at the camera on your face. Oh yeah. Oh, the floor! Someone on the couch!
Okay, I want you to see it good. With your hair. What? Dude, my hair's so messed up.
They're all bored!
You need to know that they burst.
Fucking
Mini jumps! Can you help me, Sarah? I'm kinda...
And this is the whipped cream episode.
I love how there's paper towels just shooting. Should I?
I don't know, you have your pants?
Yeah.
Right, do it!
I want to do something magical. No, under, through your legs. Oh, through your legs. Okay.
Sorry, yeah. Here, lay it on the floor. And then... Asher. Okay, and then...
No, so you gotta skip back here so it gets all in there.
Hold on, wait. It's gonna be like this way. Stop! Sarah! Stop! You just put it down!
Right.
Oh, goodness. Yeah. No, you should, like, eat it.
No. Halloween. Show me your winner! Ask me about my winner! Ask me about my winner! I heard you standing over there. This expired October 2nd.
What?
Melanie, can you help me? October, oh, wait. There, you should buy whipped cream. No! I didn't eat that stuff. I only ate a little.
I ate a lot of it, actually.
Ew.
Wait for it.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's still on.
No, I mean it's the cream.
Oh,
Stop recording so you can watch the movie. No! Forget stop!